because pre-built computers are amazing deals. So this is the computer I have. Let me just show you. This is it down here. It's the HP Omen 30L. And so if you're looking to play video games or edit video, or looking to have an insanely fast computer, pre-built computers on Amazon are the way to go, man. This particular computer I have has a 3080 graphics card in it. That's like the second fastest graphics card on planet Earth. It's got 64 gigabyte of RAM. It's got a 1 terabyte solid state drive, which is basically a super fast hard drive for Windows and for games. It's got liquid cooling in it. And do you see how cool this case looks? It's got its own RGB lighting you can control on there. If you like lighting, which I know if you're tuning into the stream, you like lighting, getting a pre-built computer like this, frames win games, as they say. And this computer is absolutely god tier. I've played Cyberpunk 2077 on this thing with full RTX on, 4K, you name it. Blows it out of the water. This is the computer right here. And you can pick it up for a reasonable price. These graphics cards, if you don't already know what's going on with the graphics card market right now, there's basically crypto miners out there and scalpers out there that are buying up graphics cards and then trying to sell them back to you at 500% markup. Why pay that terrible price when you can just buy a pre-built computer on Amazon and get it for a reasonable price? And so this particular computer, or any pre-built computer on Amazon, most pre-built computers on Amazon, are going to have reasonable pricing for the graphics cards that you're going to get along with the computer, which is great. And this particular one has a 10th generation i9 processor, which is amazing. The case looks gorgeous. It's got enough RAM for you to be able to do 4K video editing, 2K video editing, 4K, 2K, and 1080p video editing. I don't know about 10K. And you can change the lighting on this thing to look amazing. It's got DTS headphone 360 technology for those of you that are into that. I absolutely love this thing. And if you're looking to play virtual reality games, VR games, this computer's beast enough to handle that. So I highly recommend, if you guys are looking to get, if you're looking to future-proof your computer, getting a pre-built computer on Amazon, throwing on the insurance policy onto it is a great investment, for real. Like, getting a computer like this will future-proof you for like 5 years plus in terms of you being able to do whatever you want on the internet. And not to mention, it looks freaking gorgeous. You pair that up with, look at these little strip lights up here. You match up the colors on that with these little Govee strip lights. Man, you are in the zone. Your gaming setup and your home studio setup is looking freaking phenomenal. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is a cool computer? I love it. I love the way it looks. Like, this is the way I want my entire life to look. I want it to be RGB lights and amazing looking computers with more RGB lights. That's my entire life right there. That's my ideal lifestyle.